If you like geodes, then join me on this lapidary adventure where I cut open a bunch of beautiful Trancas geodes. So as far as geodes go, the cut for this went perfect. It felt so smooth, so quick through it. For this size of a stone, it was a breeze. So it sounds like it's got a geode pocket in there. Hopefully, really beautiful crystals. Let's see. Oh, it's got botry. Oh, it's dropping crystals like crazy. Oh my gosh, that is sweet. That is so beautiful. I love that. Oh, that is cool. It's like it's got a little gold down in there. Oh no, it's just like light like color flashing in the quartz. That's really, really cool. This side, is that gunk? It's got a little gunk in there. Oh, that is so pretty. So neat, man. I really love these Trancas geodes. They are just so much fun. Oh, all right, let's cut a couple more. That one did not feel hollow at all. I bet it is a filled in. I was I was like, I don't even know what I'm saying. That is not at all what it felt like when I cut it. That is crazy. That is really pretty. They're like icicles, just clear as ice. That is so sweet. Look at those. Wow. Oh, I was like, it feels solid. I didn't hear much of a kind of that sound, but man, it does have some crystals in there. Speaking of geodes with not a lot of crystals in them, our next few cuts didn't have much going on inside. We did get one that had a little bit bigger of a crystal pocket in there, but nothing to write home about. But it made me think about this other really cool feature with Trancas geodes. So let me shut off all the lights, grab my UV light, and show you what I'm talking about. Oh, wow. That last one we just cut, holy moly, the whole thing is just popping with green. It means it's extremely radioactive. I'm just kidding. I have no idea why they shine so green. That is pretty cool though. I don't know if I've seen any this green before. That's one of the cool things with Trancas geodes is they do shine pretty consistently with UV light. So this is one that was really full. That's actually pretty sweet. That's gnarly. Let's see what else. This one, very green. That's wild. Yeah, they all, for the most part, with the exception of this guy right here, it's got green bits in it, but not as much as the others, and I think it is absolutely insane like that. That is so cool. Yeah, all right, let's see if we can find any more actual crystal pockets. Oh, that is actually really, really sweet. Hardly a pocket in there, but inside it is botryoidal. That's the little lumpy bumpies in there. And golly, that is so cool. I really, really like that one. I really love agates, and you're right, I do. They're my favorite. But what you might not know is one of my second favorite minerals to, pardon the mess, more on that later. One of my second favorite minerals out there is geodes. I love them so much. And right here is my little geode collection. Some of these are polished, some of them are not, some are just raw. And I really love crystals. They're pretty cool. And this is about as far as the crystal love goes. It's crystals and natural rocks like this. These are all Trancas geodes, just like what we're cutting today. This is one that I recently cut and polished, and it is just probably not focusing, but it's super sweet. It's just got like a swirly portal of geode goodness in there. Oh, it's so fun. I really love these geodes. They're so sweet. I am happy to announce that our frog kissing days are over, and the remainder of our geodes from this cutting session are absolutely beautiful. Starting out with a druzy double geode. Check this out. Yeah, look at those crystals in there. That is so sweet. Got some like calcite right there. Man, look at that formation. That's awesome. Oh, it's got a little cavity down here at the bottom with beautiful, funny looking crystals. That is so sweet. Oh boy, we got a pocket up there and a pocket up there. Our double geode has 2 pockets in there for sure. Let's do it. Yes, that is so sweet. What is that? That is so crazy. Oh my gosh, look at that formation in there. It's so pretty. Golly. So as I grab some of these last cuts and bring them over to our pile, just want to say I get all of these Trancas geodes from the gem shop, and I'm cutting them on my 10-inch high-tech diamond saw with a thin center blade. Both of those places are going to be linked in the description box below with my discount code. But looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more geodes left. Let's cut them. Is there a pocket? Oh, there is. Oh, those got really nice crystals in there. Check out that point right there. That is sweet. Big chunky ones up in here. That is nice. Oh, that's a really good cavity right there. Definitely. Let's see. Oh, that is so awesome. Really pretty. Man, I love those druzy crystals in there. That is so sweet. Double pocket up here too. That is nice. Wow. Whoa. I had to like blink a couple times to see that. Oh my gosh. Look at those agate bands in there. Oh my gosh. It's just got barely a little pocket that kind of peeks in there, but I was like, oh, it's full, and I like blink. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Our second to last cut. I'm feeling hopeful. This felt pretty. Oh, I just saw it. Oh, it's got one. Oh, that is sweet. It's like kind of dark, a little bit darker, not like that pure clean ice, but man, that's so sweet. So big old pocket in there. I love that. We are on our final geode, hopefully, to cut. This thing is enormous. It almost looks like it has 1, 2, 3 parts to it. So I'm hoping there's either a giant pocket inside or 3 separate pockets. We will know until we cut it. But before we do, I quickly want to say, if you are liking this video so far, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe or follow button so you can join us on more fun lapidary and rock hounding adventures. Thank you guys so much for your support, but let's get into this thing and see what's hiding on the inside. It was a quick cut, so I'm very hopeful that this is a big pocket inside. Let's see. Oh, it's a quadruple geode. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets in there. That is crazy. And oh my gosh, that is so deep. Man alive. Holy moly. Just goes in there like a cave. That is awesome. It looks kind of like a face a little bit. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. Is that loose? That one's loose. Yeah. Crystals. Anyway, that is awesome. So deep in there. Woo! That is such an awesome way to end this cutting session. Wow. Woo! That's what it's all about. That is so sweet. Ooh, nice. As you can see, we cut a ton of Trancas geodes open. Some of them were filled in, but I think a majority of them ended up having beautiful pockets in them with those amazing crystals, and they come in so many different shapes and sizes. It was so much fun. I normally, when I get done cutting stuff, I like to hop over onto my Cab King and get to polishing, but I, unfortunately, am unable to polish right now due to some issues in my shop. Sadly, my heating system in my shop has gone out, and, well, maybe gone out isn't the right word. The right way to explain it is my heating system, although it's heating, it is leaking carbon monoxide into my shop. So it has to be, well, it's been shut down. So it is very, very cold in my shop, and the water that I use for polishing is ice cold because it is freezing in my shop and it is miserable to polish. So I have a little bit of time to wait until I can get the heating system fixed. So that is a bit of a bummer, but it doesn't change the fact that I had a ton of fun cutting open these geodes. We're just probably going to be a little bit more cutting heavy, over polishing heavy for a very short amount of time. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching me. If you want to help support us in our fun adventure with this new heating system, all I'm gonna ask is just share these videos. That's all you gotta do. It does a lot. So thank you all so much for helping out that way. And again, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.